What are you doing now? More in there.
Oh, hi. Hi, Ilia here. Doing the Sunday roast with my good friend Mo. Thank you very much for that, bro.
No problems,
Yeah.
Ilia.
Thank you very much. So we had great omelette in the morning. The Eastern European, which is apparently Asian as well. That was lovely. Mo brought over the eggs, milk there.
It was lovely, yeah.
Oh,
I really enjoyed them.
beautiful. Yeah, it was
the meal
beautiful.
this morning, mate. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So we're doing Sunday roast for various things like whole chicken, British, free range, nice and lovely. Great for the chicken, British as well. That's great. With potatoes, carrots, which I plan to boil first, so they're quite soft, and then put them with the chicken as well towards the end. What else? Onion and mushroom gravy. It's going to be lovely. One of my favourites, onion and mushroom gravy. Some salad, things like the lovely cherry tomatoes, are amazing. For lettuce, avocado, cucumber, spinach leaves that Mo brought over. Thank you very much for that again.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you for being a great cameraman.
No, I'm trying my best.
Oh yeah. Yeah, also gonna have some boiled asparagus, broccoli. That would be lovely. Plan to peel the asparagus and then boil them. Saucepan, of course. So, going to start with the chicken. Yeah, I gotta put some of these things back in the fridge for now. Oh yeah. For dessert, yeah, got something really good for that. Some of this lovely yogurt, the high fat, because well, we're like having a bit of kind of junk food or what's it, easy food, whatever, burgers, bit of pizza sometimes, but really want to have some nice home cooked food. It's why we're doing it. Is it saving money? Maybe. Is it fun? Yeah. Taste it? Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know. It's just good to cook at home. And yeah, Sunday roast, classic. Love the classic. So yeah, we're gonna have some yogurt, high fat, because it doesn't matter about saving fat on natural food. Maybe just save it on having a bit less sugar. But we're gonna have this, I think, with honey and some banana. That'll be lovely. So I'm just gonna put some of these things back in the fridge. Just gonna have them towards the end. On there. Oh yeah. I love Jamie Oliver. He's awesome. Yeah, inspirational. It's inspiring me. Brilliant guy. So let's clear the space a little bit. And finished a little bit of washing up as well. I should have done that earlier, but finishing that a little bit. There we go. I've got some curry plant. Plan to stuff the chicken with that. It's next to this flowering, beautiful cherry blossom. Picked a few stems from the local park. Yeah, it smells amazing. Right, so I'm gonna open up the chicken. Plastic wrapping. Try not to cut myself. Try and go easy. Already turn the oven on. on. I'm gonna put it up to I think about 170 degrees. It's a fan assisted oven, and we're gonna have chicken. I'll try and pop some foil to save the when it's gonna be a bit burnt on. To add a bit of olive oil on it as well. So I'm going to stuff the chicken. I'm going to put into it some limes, lemon, I think some coriander from the garden as well would be lovely. Okay, just gonna wash these. Oh yeah, I'm gonna wash my hands as well. Go. Just going to slice these into small pieces so that the juices can actually go into the chicken. Not a lime, why not? Okay. Oh, careful there. Alright. I don't do that much cooking, to be honest. I've got to do much more. So I'm kind of a little bit flustered and nervous being on camera. A bit embarrassing. So there we go. Yeah.
No, you're a good cook, Ilia.
Thank you very
There's
much.
nothing to be embarrassed of.
Inspired by you. Thank you very much, mate.
You're a very good cook, mate.
Cheers. Alright. Put that out there. This is going to fit in there. Not too sure if I'm doing it quite right. It's a bit funny, but that's how you do it. Gonna do what you're gonna do. Just pop it in. Right, some curry plant. Bit into the chicken. Add some thyme as well. Rosemary. I'm not sure if I've got that. Just the curry plant. It smells amazing, especially with the lemon juice. I've got to be careful to not, touch my mouth or just be touching the chicken. So, got to be careful and plan to cook it for about 1.5 hours approximately, and then test it for like piercing a bit. I haven't got the thermometer, which is another good way of testing the chicken. Just pierce it, see how the juices run, if it's a good clear colour, and if it's a good colour as well, it's going to be white on the inside. Let me see if I've got some, oh yeah, got some rosemary, yeah, and some bay leaf too, yeah. Okay, some of this, I've already washed this earlier, put it to dry. we go. Put that back in there. Probably need some more to get on top of the chicken as well. Put that in there. Lovely. Oh yeah, I've got a bit of salt and pepper would be lovely as well. What else? Garam masala. Yeah, add some of that. What's that? Pepper. Just have it all over. Inside the chicken. Bit of salt inside the chicken as well. I think I should have really put the salt a little bit in the chicken earlier before stuffing it, but just put a tiny bit in. Try to not over salt it. I like kind of medium salty. There we go. Oh yeah. Might also brought over the lovely apple cider vinegar. Great for the salad. Would you be up for having mayo with apple cider vinegar?
Yes, I don't mind.
Yeah, cool. Thank you for that. Okay, got that stuff. Bit of this lovely extra virgin olive oil that Mo brought over. Filippo Berry brand. Lovely. Instead of butter, I just prefer olive oil instead of butter. I think I'd yeah, why not? Careful that the bottle doesn't slip. God, this is expensive stuff. Lovely. I might just add a tiny bit more as it's cooking. A little too much. Okay, there we go. Bit of salt all over. I'm not sure what is the right way. I just it feels right. I read a little bit about it online, but not too much. I'm just gonna go by what intuition, what seems right. Go a bit more curry plant. On top of the chicken as well. What's that? Rosemary. Lovely, beautiful. There we go, a bit on the bottom as well. Did I salt the bottom of it? I think I did, yeah. Okay. Alright. I was actually thinking of covering it with foil for the start of cooking. What would you think, man?
Yeah, I think good idea. Yeah.
Thank you. And then, oh yeah, forgot the garam masala. Just wash my hands first.
Go
Because I've been touching the chicken, so I don't want to do cross contamination by touching other things that I'm going to touch later. So I'm going to wash my hands. What's that? Yeah, some garam masala or garam masala. There we go. Beautiful. again. Okay, bit more foil on top of the chicken. To keep it moist. There we go. Maybe it'll help to not burn as well. Okay, gonna dispose of the chicken plastic covering carefully. Wash my hands again. Just because I'm touching the chicken. There we go. Alright, pop that in the oven. It's already warmed up, about 170, fan assisted, for about 1.5 hours. I'll keep checking it. Well, there's nothing to really check, just quite thick. Right. Gonna move the tray. Yeah, use the oven mitts. In there. Go to start on the.
Ilia, I think we do the salad on the next video, yeah?